Once you log into your Seers account using your password and email, you will actually be taken to the Seers dashboard. From the dashboard, you can actually select the cookie consent management platform tool by actually clicking on the cookie consent icon. You will then be taken to the consent management platform user journey tool that will actually help you implement management platform onto your website. You start off with adding your domain by clicking on the add domain button. Enter the URL for your domain. You select the scan frequency and enter the email address where you will actually be emailed the scan report for your website, and then click on save. You can actually see the message that your scan is underway. You click on OK, and then actually from the icons, go to settings. You'll see the blue icon on the right hand side. Actually, when the type of banner you need comes up, please select Customize Advanced Settings. You will then be taken to the settings page, and from the settings page, you can actually select preferences. Under preferences, you can actually select the various different options, whether you want to select the cookie banner or the cookie declaration table, the cookie policy and declaration URL. You want to enable prior consent, show the badge, select the type of language you're looking for. We offer actually 30 different languages. You then select the consent type, generalized or specific, put in the consent expiry day. We actually recommend at least this should be done once a month so that your website is scanned for any new scripts on a monthly basis to comply with the regulation. Specified all the different preferences. You then click on visuals, the visual aspect of your banner to align with your website. You first select whether you want the banner to be compliant with GDPR, CCPA, or LGPD. We recommend that if you're based in the UK, you select GDPR. Based in the US, you select CCPA. And if you're based in Brazil, you select LGPD. And you can see the layouts will appear differently. You then can select the position of the banner, how you want the banner to actually appear on your website, at the center, at the top, or the bottom. You can then select the color scheme for the banner to make sure that it aligns with your website color scheme. There are lots of different options that are available. Within the consent management platform, you can specify the font size, style, whether you want the buttons to be rounded or flat, the title color, body color, the actually text color, preferences color, and then you can actually add your logo using the drop down for the logo. So it actually aligns with your company. After you've completed the visual requirements, you then move on to the banner content. Under the banner content, you can actually ensure whether all of the information that is available is actually suitable for your website. You can actually go through each of these options that are provided and ensure that you're happy with all of these options. And then also look at the descriptions for the type of cookies. Preference cookies, statistics cookies, marketing cookies, unclassified. Once you're happy with all the content and you're happy to proceed, you can just click on save. Once you've confirmed the settings, then you move on to the scripts. Here you have the option to actually specify your script manually, or you can use any of the plugin integrations that are available, such as WordPress. So you have multiple options. Once you've decided whether you want to go through the manual or plugin route, you can then actually copy the cookie consent banner script that is generated automatically onto the HTML head tag of your website. You will also be provided the cookie policy script, and you can copy this code to show the default cookie policy as well. So after all of these three main key functionalities, you have the main aspects of the consent management platform covered. Now you will go into some of the advanced options, such as cookie management. This option provides all the different types of cookies that are currently identified within the scan on your website. So it gives the details, the expiry. So this is a requirement of the regulator to ensure that you actually specify the types of cookies, which the consent management platform under the premium package it enables you to do that. You also then have the option after cookie management to go on to consent log. Consent log is a requirement under Article 30 of the GDPR, and it enables a user to record all of the user consents that are currently being provided by the customer. In case there's ever a data breach or there's a complaint by the customer, you'll have a record of all of these consents available at hand to provide to the regulator. Then you can move on to the cookie policy generator. This is a AI-based tool where you add in all the information, such as, for example, the name of your organization, and click on next, and keep answering the questions, keep clicking on next. Once the cookie consent policy is generated, you can then implement it on your website. Finally, the script manager enables you to manage and disable all other types of third-party scripts and not just cookie scripts. So this is one of the key features that we offer under a consent management platform that enables users to track all types of third-party technologies, not just cookies. And it enables you to comply with privacy regulations worldwide, including GDPR, LGPD, CCPA, and PECR. Seers is very happy to help you. If you have any further information that you require, please go onto our website, www.seersco.com.